where I'm sitting. Jesus, what is that? Oh, I know. We are in Chucuito, what is the penny-shaped totem for all the women. I think this is the fertility. But of course, we have more than 20 phallus. And this is a temple. You can see the house around here, and it's a pre-Inca and Inca place. All those rocks from the Andes. And in Chucuito, it's a very special place because from the ancient time, the families, they were keeping the phallus exactly like the main part or shape. Welcome here to Chucuito and other beautiful places too in Puno, Peru. Well, I'm looking for Rakche, the temple of the Incas. Somebody told me it's here somewhere in Cusco. Oh, where is it? Oh, right. Oh, thanks. Oh, there. It's the temple. The temple of the Incas, call it Rakche. Wow, it's amazing. And it's very nice. But actually, this temple, you can find it where? When you were coming from Cusco to Puno, or from Puno to Cusco. In those states, between the two states, we can find Rakche, that beautiful temple for stopping, relaxing, to stroll around, some pictures, exploring the ancient knowledge. I think it's a very good idea. Touring, of course, you can go to Titicaca Lake from Cusco to Juliaca by airplane, but I think by car too will be a great idea. Welcome to Rakche, to Cusco, to Puno, using this road, South Peru.